Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you what to do if your laptop freezes. So if your laptop is stuck frozen on some application or program, then in such case first thing we have to determine is whether this laptop is stuck fully or partially, and to do that first you're gonna have to use the combination of three keys, Control, Alt, and Delete. I'm not sure what delete, right here, Control, Alt, Delete. Press these three buttons simultaneously and you're gonna see a screen like this probably. If you see a screen like this, select Task Manager and then select the application that freezes your PC on the list, right click on it and select End Task, and it will turn off the application and get your device unfrozen. But if your device is still frozen, then the only solution would be to force restart your PC, and to do that just hold down the power button until the power indicator on your power button goes off. So right now you can release the power button and then short press it once again to turn your laptop on. And if it didn't help you to, so if your laptop didn't turn off when you've been holding the power button, then in such case you just simply unplug the charging cable from your computer and let it discharge by itself, and then it will turn off automatically. And that's basically it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.